everybody. Well, got as much as I could into the truck, as you know, and now I'm on my way to the shop. We'll see what happens. I want to take some of that stuff out right now, but then I will be back later on tonight to take some more stuff out. I just need to get into that other unit and make it a little bit easier for me to move around. So we'll see what happens. Then when we get to the gate, I'm gonna have to block the camera so you guys can't see my code. And we're going to be here for a little bit. Okay, I'll be back. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, so we are at the shop. So I'm gonna re-angle this. Sorry if my fingers get in the way. I'm old and fat. Okay. So let me get a drink here real fast. But I'm just gonna probably drop off the stuff that's in my front seat and a few things in the back. So, but it is what it is. But I think she lost her puppy. Well, if I see a puppy, I know where the puppy goes. Okay. Welcome to my other mess. Oh. Life of scrapping. But yeah, these right here, this is food. Sealed. It's one of doomsday places where they get their, this was right here is more than a it says its net weight is 6.1 pounds. Can, pouch, but this is like a 5-gallon bucket of sugar. This one's wheat. That one back there is wheat. This one on the bottom is rice. But unfortunately, they're all expired. But the reason why I have them is because I want the buckets. You know what they say, waste not, want not. So yeah, so I'm gonna drop off that few stuff here. At least I am going to be taking this down because right now it's in my way. So later on tonight I'll pull it out, hammer that off, keep those built. But this property manager at the other place gave me that. That would be wire. That's the good wire. So, but I need to cut them in half, and then I'll run my wire stripper and clean them. You know, but yeah. So that's what I got today. This right here is a Grundfos. This is from, I believe, New Zealand. I believe. And it's brass. This whole thing, I believe, is brass. But I'll find out. But see the gold color? I believe that is all painted brass, but I don't want, depending on what I can do with it, I don't want dirty stuff. I want clean stuff. So what I'll probably wind up doing is cutting these ends off, putting this in dirty, this in brass copper bucket, and then taking this off, cleaning the paint off of it. There's many ways of doing it, but yeah, so we'll see. But but I want to get this stuff out of my front seat. That's my uniform for work. Get rid of that. Don't have my gloves with me, so this is aluminum. I don't know if I'm just gonna put this up here for right now. Don't know if these oh, the rivets are aluminum too. Yep. So I don't even have to take that apart. Yep. Oh, set this up here for now. But there's a skid plate for an H2 Hummer. I got that up for sale. Nobody's contacted me on it. I doubt if I'll sell it. So what'll probably happen is I'll probably wind up cutting it down and throwing it into a barrel. Because I ain't gonna take it like that, you know. I wish I had a plasma cutter, which is going to be probably the next tool I get. I'm already looking for a air compressor for it, but plasma cutter is the best thing for cutting metal. Anything, well, besides plastic. Put this on the ground. Take this. I forgot what's all in this box. You know, but I just want to get it out of my truck for right now. You know, so just gonna put this stuff inside, because I gotta go home and watch my nephew until my sister gets home from feeding the dogs. My niece and my nephew-in-law and my niece are in California, so I just want to get some of this stuff out. Whew. So pretty much this is going to end this video. Damn it. My truck is still not as bad as Scrap Kingdom's. I don't care what you say, Marty. It's not. But actually,